Hello, class. Welcome to week 3. This is Dr. Curtis, and I just want to tell you a little bit about what's going on this week. You are going to learn section 3.1. That is about complex numbers. So a complex number, let's see, you know about counting numbers, right? That's the natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If you add 0, you have a set of whole numbers to that, right? If you add 0 to the set, if you add negative whole numbers to the set, then you have the set of integers. That's negative and positive whole numbers, including 0. If you add in now fractions, any number that can be written as a fraction, right? That's all of the whole numbers and the integers. They can all be written as fractions. And fractions, 2/3 and 0.5, which is 5/10, and right, anything that can be written as a fraction, those numbers are called rational numbers. Now, some numbers cannot be written as fractions, like non-repeating decimals, like pi and e. Those numbers are called irrational numbers. If you put all of the rational numbers together with all the irrational numbers, that's every number on the number line, those are called real numbers. Now, if you add in one more set of numbers, which are the imaginary numbers, right, like the square root of -2 or something like that, right, that would be called 2i. If you add in I, the imaginary unit, put that in with the real numbers, then you have the set of complex numbers. Used a lot in engineering and electrical science and things like that. But you'll learn more about that in 3.1. Now, there will be no homework for 3.1 this week because you do have test 1 this week as well. So let's talk about how to get to test 1. Now, 3.1, again, you're going to learn the material, go to learning resources, and here, and I'll show you where it is, and you can learn all about complex numbers, but there will be no homework assigned or due until next week, because this week you need to take test 1, and test 1 will cover everything you've already learned. All right, so let's go and see how you look up this information. So you can go to weekly modules. Let's look up week 3, test 1 and complex numbers. Let's see, let's scroll down. And here we'll look up, so if you want to learn about complex numbers, click on learning resources. There are quite a bit of information there. Also, the review for test 1 is here. That's very important, right? So learning resources, I would suggest you look up the review for test 1. Do the problems, and if you get stuck, then look at the solutions. They have review solutions here as well, right? But I would try to do the problems first if I were you. Definitely very important to do this review. So it's under learning resources. So I would do that. You don't have to hand it in, but do it for yourself. And there's PowerPoints on complex numbers. So here's the stuff. Again, this stuff is not on the test, right? But this is all about, you do need to learn the material. All right, video links, practice problems are here, right, for complex numbers, what have you. But the review for the test, you see it there, okay? So that was under learning resources. So let's go back. And if you want to take the test, right, when you're ready to take the test, you have a whole week, I believe, to take it. But all of those instructions would be here under this week's assignment. So let's see. This, why can't I? So where's the homework? No, we don't see any homework. Where is the no homework? I click on this week's. Oh, well, let's see. The discussion board is there. That's fine. Wait a minute. I had the test a minute ago. What happened to it? All right, let's go back. See if we can see. Make sure you have what you need. So let me go back to weekly modules. Went to week 3. I'm looking for the test now. Oh, okay. So I didn't have to go that far. So again, go to week 3, and right there, where everything is listed, you don't have to do this week's assignments to take the test. This is the test, right? It tells you how many minutes you have to take it, and the test must be completed by Sunday the 20th, right? So you have a week to take this exam, right? And you have 70 minutes to take it once you begin. All right, so it's right there, right under this week's assignments. That's where you take the test. All right, so good luck this week. And if you have any questions at all, please, my office hours are Wednesdays and Thursdays. But all right, so Wednesdays from 11:30 to 12:30, and Thursdays from 10:30 to 12:30. If you have any questions, you can join the Zoom meeting or email me, and we'll set one up just for you. All right then. Good luck.